dirt on that one. Nearly lost it there because of the puddle. Woohoo! So, welcome to the Vizzle vlog. Today I want to talk to you about two very important things on the OneWheel that could practically save your life. So stay tuned. So, when starting to OneWheel, there's two things that you really need to watch out for. The first one is the nosedive, and the second one is the wobbling of the OneWheel, because that could cause your OneWheel to collapse or you to lose control while riding that thing pretty fast, low to the ground. So that's something that you really want to look out for, and today I want to share some tips on how to avoid that stuff. Let me first gather my OneWheel gear so that we can go out and ride, because it's a beautiful day. Sun is shining, so we need to go outside to get some movement. We all know that the nosedive is mainly caused by overpowering the motor, but there's one additional factor that can also cause a nosedive. If you want to know what, stay tuned. So, very important to get that body moving before getting out on the OneWheel, because if you're not used to moving a lot, your body is not used to the movements that you make on these boards. So definitely put some time and effort into that. Good thing that I got out now, because it looks like it's gonna rain over here. Hopefully we still get a little ride and I get the time to explain to you guys how to handle those tricky situations. So follow me. So what you really want to do when you push forward is let the strength and the force come from the hips, not from leaning into it, because then it gets pretty dangerous. If your machine gets overloaded, you have very little clearance to go back and retain that movement. So that's why we really want to have the force coming from the hips. You just push your foot down, but you keep your body aligned with your OneWheel. Don't lean into it too far, because it's very hard to get back into the good position when you get lost. So don't do it, guys. So how can you reduce the wobbliness? Well, you actually apply a diagonal pressure on the board, heel side on the front foot, toe side on the back foot. That makes sure that your board wobbles a lot less. So try it out, and also learn how to carve. Carving is one of the most important things to get that board stabilized. So once you get a hang of the carving, you will notice that you really don't have any wobbliness at all. It's all about getting comfortable with the board and practice, practice, practice. Getting too motivated. check out the dirt on that one. Nearly lost it there because of the puddle. So as you can see, sometimes you really have to lean into it to get that low shot. But don't worry, be safe and know your limits. So as you can see, the OneWheel can take quite a bit. It's just up to you to get used to that machine, to go out and play and have fun. And on that note, I'm gonna love you and leave you. Peace out and see you on the next one. Bye.